Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to this new video. Chapter 3, How many squares for class 5. In this video, we will learn about measure stamps. Look at this picture. What we can see here? We can see a big rectangle has many dots and a small squares. This square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 right angles. See here, previous class we studied that L-shape angle. Here forming L-shape. This L-shape angle is right angle. Did you get the square has 4 sides and with 4 right angle. Okay. Then now we will measure the sides. Here I am measuring in the left side. Left side is 1 centimeter. I am measuring the bottom side, that is also 1 centimeter. Right side, that is also 1 centimeter. The top side, that is also 1 centimeter. So all sides are 1 centimeters. In this, from this what we can understand, all sides of square has same size. Did you get? What are the things we studied about the square? This square has 4 sides with 4 right angle and all sides are equal in this square. Now we will draw the lines through these dots. Okay. First I am drawing the sleeping lion. This sleeping lion also called horizontal lion. What it is? This is sleeping lion. This lion is also called horizontal lion. Sleeping lion is also called horizontal lion. Standing lion is also called vertical lion. Now see the picture. Here now we are got many squares. Okay. Using these squares we can draw the rectangle also. Here given one condition, making 12 squares. Using 12 squares we have to make a rectangle. Shall we do? Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Using this we have to make a rectangle. Can you identify this rectangle? Now I drawn the rectangle with 12 squares. 12 square together I drawn rectangle. How many rectangle I drawn? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 rectangle are drawn using 12 squares. This all rectangle has same size, is it? Any rectangle is bigger, any rectangle is smaller here? No, all in same size because of all has 12 squares, same size square. So all is same. So area of these rectangles are same. Come to the topic measure stamp. By this topic we can find the area of stamp. First we will study about area. What is area? Area is the space occupied by a flat shape or a figure. What is the shape occupied by a flat shape or a figure? Did you get? Now look at this picture. What you are observing? We can see a big rectangle with many squares. The many stamps are placed on this square. What are the names are given for this stamp? The stamp A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the names are given. Now we will find out the area of these stamps.
we can find out the area of this stamp. There are two methods. First method is simply counting the squares on this stamp. Okay, how many squares are there? Just count. How many squares are? Shall we count from the stamp A? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many squares are there in the first method? 18 squares are there. Understand? Then second method, we have to multiply the number of squares in the first row and number of squares in the first column. Did you get it? Multiply the number of squares in the first row and number of squares in the first column. Shall we multiply and do? Then first column count. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares in the first row. Then first column, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. 3 squares. So now multiply 6 into 3, 18. How many squares are there? 18 squares are there. The first method and the second method we are getting same answer. So you can follow any one method. Did you get me?
Like the way we can find out the area of other stamps also. Then now we will take the stamp B. Count the squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many squares are there? 8 squares. Okay. Then next stamp C. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. Did you get him? Then next stamp D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squares. You can use the second method also. How we can use? Once again listen. Then you have to multiply the number of squares in the first row and number of squares in the first column. Okay. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares in the first row. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 squares in the first column. Multiply it, we can get 12. 3 into 4, 12 squares. Same answer only we are getting. Then next stamp E. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Okay. Then stamp F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many squares? 12 squares. Did you get me? Then these all stamps area we find out. First stamp A has square area 18 square, B has 8 square, C has 6 squares, then D has 12 squares, then next E has 4 squares and F has 12 squares. Did you get? Here is a bird. That bird saying something to us. Shall we listen? What it is saying? Stamp D covers 12 squares. Each square is of side 1 centimeter. So the area of stamp D is 12 square centimeter. Did you get what it is saying? That stamp already we seen. Stamp D has 12 squares. Okay. Each square already we measured 1 centimeter. Is it correct? So the total area of this stamp D is 12 square centimeter. Did you get me? 12 squares are there. That each square is 1 centimeter. So how we are writing the answer? 12 square centimeter. All area you have to write like this. Stamp A has 18 square centimeter because of each side has 1 centimeter. That's why 18 square centimeter. B has 8 square centimeter. C has 6 square centimeter. D has 12 square centimeter. E has 4 square centimeter. Then next F has 12 square centimeter. Did you get me? Now come to the activity. First A part.
How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? Already we find out. Stamp A cover how many squares? 18 squares. Okay, so you can write 18. And stamp B. Stamp B how many squares are there? 8 squares. So you can write 8. Then part B. Which stamp has biggest area? Which stamp? See here. A area has 18 square centimeter. Here B 8, then C 6, then D 12, E 4 centimeter square. Then next F 12 centimeter. Which one is the biggest? Stamp A is biggest. Which one? Stamp A is biggest. Next, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? How many centimeter in the A does have? 18 centimeter. Square centimeter. How many? 18 square centimeter. Then how much is area of biggest stamp? Biggest stamp how many area? Which is the biggest? A is the biggest. Area how much? 18 square centimeter. Did you get it? Then part C. Which two stamps have the same area? Which are them? Here stamp D and F has 12 square centimeter. So D and F has the which one? Same area. What are they? Stamp D and stamp F has same area. How much is the area of each of these stamps? How much of this stamp has area? Both has 12 square centimeter. So 12 square centimeter. Then come to the part D. The area of the smallest stamp. Which is the area smallest stamp? Here E is the smallest stamp, which has the area 4 square centimeter. So 4 square centimeter you have to write. The difference between the area of smallest and the biggest stamp is dash square centimeter. Which is the biggest? A is the biggest. It has 18 square centimeter. Then next, which is the smallest? E is the smallest, which has 4 square centimeter. We want to find out the difference. Difference means subtract. 18 minus 4, we can get 16 square centimeter. Now you guys send to do this activity. Okay, you do yourself. First question, which has the bigger area? One of your footprints or the page of this book. You have to take any one of the page of your book and compare with your foot. Okay, which is the bigger you have to find out. Then second one B, which has the smaller area? Two 5 rupees note together are a 100 rupee note. You have to place 2 5 rupees note on like this square board. Okay, then you have to find out the squares. How many squares? Then place the 100 rupees note. Again count the number of squares. Then you have to find out the which is the smallest area. Which has the smallest area. Then see, look at a 10 rupee note. Is it area more than the 100 square centimeter? You have to see the 10 rupee note. Then you have to see, is it more than the 100 square centimeter? Then find out and write. Then next D, is the area of blue shape or more than the area of yellow shape? Why?
Next part is E. Is the perimeter of yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shape? Why? Is the perimeter of yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shape? Why? What is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of this boundary. Okay. What is the length of this boundary is called perimeter. That way you have to find out.